Okay, so pretty much everybody knows about the massive storms that hit the West earlier this month. For those of you in California, you know that this weather is very out of the ordinary. These rains were extremely detrimental to so many farms, families, and communities because they quite literally wiped out acres and acres of farmland and crops. But we have heard more and more stories of farms that persevered, and they are regenerative. In a Civil Eats article, we read about farms and ranches throughout California that stood strong during and after the storms due to their healthy soil's immense water holding capacity. Listen to this insane statistic. For every 1% increase in organic matter, 20,000 gallons of water are stored per acre. 20,000 gallons! Just to put that in perspective, for every 1% increase in organic matter, US cropland could store as much water that flows over Niagara Falls in 150 days. Healthier soil also leads to aquifer recharge and greater absorption, meaning higher drought resistance, less erosion, less flooding, and less runoff. For those of you that don't know what an aquifer is, they are underground bodies of water where groundwater can be filtered and replenished, and they're currently being depleted. Here at Kiss the Ground, we have heard countless testimonies of farmers who are saving tons of water through their regenerative ag practices.
For example, our increase in soil organic matter in the past year has led to an increase in water holding capacity on our farm of more than 4 million gallons.
And conserve 350 million gallons of water.
My soils have water infiltration rates of 20 inches per hour, and the neighbors have an infiltration rate of 1/2 inch of rain per hour.
I don't know about you, but the answer is very clear to me.
I can see clearly now, the rain is gone.
So what are we gonna do with this information? Are we just gonna stand still and wait for the next detrimental set of storms to come and make another regen rundown about it and compare the results?
No!
There's one simple thing that you can do right now, right this moment, which is calling for more regenerative ag in the 2023 Farm Bill. All it takes is a minute of your time, and it will transform the state of our climate, water supply, and health.
It's gonna be a bright